Hello, everyone. This is going to be my new song for this album, Train Called Home. So let's get it started. One, two, three, yep! The train pulled out as I arrived. Realized there's no time to wait. I ran as fast as I could. The air was cold enough to snow. Let's ride this train called home. Ride it to dusk till dawn. Let's ride this train called home. Not gonna ride it alone. The train has finally came to a stop, just to load more folks. I finally came to reach that spot as it started rolling away. Let's ride this train called home. Ride it to dusk till dawn. Let's ride this train called home. Not gonna ride it alone. One day this train will come to a stop, that day that I will be aboard. I don't know where this train will be, hopefully it'll lead me home. Let's ride this train called home. Ride it to dusk till dawn. Let's ride this train called home. Not gonna ride it alone. Let's ride this train called home. Ride it to dusk till dawn. Let's ride this train called home. Not gonna ride it alone.